So we all know applying eyeshadow is a bit difficult. What's even more difficult is to know what kind of brush is for what. So today I'm going to show you the different types of eyeshadow brushes and how to use the eyeshadow brushes. So let's start. So guys, these are the different types of eyeshadow brushes that I have. I'm going to tell you one by one what is used for what. So let's start with the flat one. So this is the flat angle brush. So this is the flat angle brush. This is good for contouring your eyes. If you want more definition, this is for that. The next I have is the flat brush. So this is really good to apply like shimmer or a foundation which is a little thick. So you can just apply shimmer foundation, just press it on it, and this is good to just press your foundation into your eyelids. You can't really blend with this one. This is just for application, just to put like your shimmer eyeshadow and just to like place it wherever you want. So this is for that. So guys, my next brush is this one. So this is the eyeshadow application brush, which is a bit loose, so your eyeshadow application becomes really easy. So if you just want a little bit of eyeshadow, like just a soft eyeshadow, you can just apply it and blend it with this one. So my next brush is the blending brush or the fluffy brush. And this is one of my favorites because it blends all your eyeshadow together and gives you a natural look. So if you are like going for smoky eyes and if you want to blend two colors, this is really good for that. And this is also really soft and loose, so it will really apply your brush and will blend it really well. So this is for that. My next one is the angle brush. So this can be used on your brows as well and for applying your eyeliner, or if you want to apply your eyeshadow in an angle. So this is really good for that. So guys, my next brush is the small corner brush. So I don't know what its technical term is, but I use it to apply my highlighter and just press it onto my corners, so it gives you a really nice effect. So I use this just for that. And on to my next brush, which is the small flat brush. This is really good if you want to apply some dark colors on your ends, just on this part. So I use this for that. So guys, these were the different types of eyeshadow brushes, and if you really want to get a perfect eyeshadow effect, you will need these types, and it's really helped me in applying my makeup. It makes your makeup application really simple. And if you have any more doubts, if you want to know more about brushes or anything, let me know in the comment section below. And also I'm on Instagram, go follow me there, and if you haven't subscribed to Foxy already, please go subscribe now, and I'll see you later. Bye guys.